Something's squirting. It is old water heater. This thing's about to go. Guarantee you that. Squirting. Alright, let's see what's going on. Squirtily doo-dah day. This is a nasty room, dude. It's gonna squirt me. Yikes. Whoa. It's that 90. All right. Easy enough. Easy enough. We'll just do this really quick. There you go. We'll just do this really quick. Where's the, I need to turn the recirc pump off. Where's the, here, I don't want to, I'll burn out the pump if I need to find, where's the switch for the recirc pump? Oh no. I don't want it spraying on the the burners there. Okay, we're just gonna have to risk the recirc pump. Fortunately, this is all threaded. Where's the friggin' recirc? Oh, here. There you go. There you go. There you go. Okay. I can quickly do this, no problem. All right. First things first. One. Two. We'll keep that silk cack hose bib. It's a silk cack. And then we want to grab these old chans. Let me put this down. Grab the old chans. Channies. Grab the old channies. The old channies will do ya. Whoops, wrong way. The old channies will do ya. Okay. There you go. All right. Quick, easy, pro prizzle. All right, here I go, pro press. All right, there you go. This job took less than 30 minutes. There you go. There you go. And then whoops. I'm gonna have to bend that. I didn't think ahead. I could have just spun this on the top, but it's not that big of a deal. I can just bend this handle. Actually, it's almost all the way open. But, all right, we're gonna bleed this real quick. I'm gonna bend that. We'll bleed this. And that'll be it. There you go. Just bent it a little bit, it's fine. All right, let me get my hose. Okay, the way I bleed recirc pumps is put a hose on there. You get the hose cock, silk cock, whatever it's called. Bust that sucker open. There you go. And the reason it's important to have this is you want to close that now, because if I left that open, it's just pulling water from the water heater. I want to suck all the water out of this recirc pump through the whole building. And then it looks like it's fine already. Sometimes you don't even need to do it. I probably don't even need to do this, but whoa. I was taught that's what you need to do. So sometimes you'll see it spit and it'll be like, but I would say that's already good to go. But give it a little bit, because sometimes it doesn't do it right away. You let it run for a minute or so and it'll get some air bubbles in there. And open that all the way. Whoa, come on, guy. Chill. There you go. And then once there's no air bubbles coming out, I do this. I go boom, and then close it. And then you will not get any airlock on your recirc pump. So that's it. Almost a perfect job. I should have spun this, but whatever, it's fine. This thing's gonna be, I guarantee you I'll be back here replacing this within the next 12 months. Guarantee. Oh my gosh, 2008, and it's still working, these pieces of trash. Yes, I'm bad at math. 2008, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, wow, 19, 20, 21. Holy cow, that's way past its time to go. I got a buddy that, for whatever reason, always installs these at his buildings. And he's like, yeah, they last like 5 to 8 years. That's why they give you such a lousy warranty on these commercial water heaters. I think they're 5 years, most of them, whereas residential are 6, or maybe they're 3 and residential are 6. I don't know, but I am really impressed. This was firing up, everything's good, everything's fine. Okay, that's it.